Hey everyone, today we are going to look at LeetCode problem number 2131, longest palindrome by concatenating two-letter words. So we have been given a string of words where each words consist of two lowercase letters, and we need to find out the longest possible palindrome which we can form from this words array. So let's look at some examples now. The first example is LC, CL and GG. So as you can see, like this is the palindromic string which we can form, and its length is 6, so we have written 6 here. Similarly, for the second array we can form TY, LC, CL and YT, and which is having 8 letters, so we'll return 8. And the third one, we're having CC, LL and XX. So for this there is only one thing which you can form, which is 2. So how we can approach this problem? The first way I can think of for solving this question is I can make all the substring of these words, and then check whether this string is palindrome or not, and if it is palindrome, then check for the size of that string, and from this we'll get the string. So the complexity will be really high for this one, because we are having the words length till 10 raised to power 5, and making all the sub sequences will be 2 raised to power n. So we have to look at some different approach. So when we are solving this, like, we can have two things: either the string can be same or the string can be different. If the string is same, we can see that this is clearly a palindrome. But if the string are different, we have to look for the opposite pair. So this is LC, so we have to look for the opposite pair, and like we can form a palindrome. So there will be two things, either the string will be same or different. So let's do one thing. Let's solve this example using this. So we are having this string, and we'll do one thing. We'll just count all the same and the different parts. So we can see we have AB as 1, BA as 1, AX as 1, XA as 2, and TA as 1. So we have just counted all the occurrences of the different in the hash map, and like the same string in the different hash map. So for same we are having, we can see we are having 3 times AAA. So let's do one thing. Let's just form a string using the different hash map only. So we have this AB, and now what we'll do, we'll look for its opposite pair. So for AB, the opposite pair is BA. So what we'll do, we'll check which of them is minimum. And why I'm looking which one is minimum, let me explain. For example, if you are having AB, AB, AB and BA, BA, the only palindrome which I can think is AB, AB, then BA, BA. So this will be the palindrome. AB is 3 times, BA is 2 times, but we will be using only BA 2 times, because if we'll make use of AB again, then like that won't be a palindrome. So what we'll be doing, we will be checking for the minimum, and right now for both, we can see the answer is 1, so we'll have 1 in our answer. After that, we'll remove this part. So we'll remove this BA, because we have already processed AB and BA. So now we'll move forward, and we'll see we have this AX and XA. So similarly, we will do one thing. We will check for the minimum. So AX is the minimum, and we'll just add that to our answer. So we have uh, 2 in our answer. So just by answer, we can see we can form a palindrome of size O, as we can form AB, XA, AX, BA. So now let's handle the same case where both the characters of the string will be same. So we have AA and XX. So we can see X as is a palindrome, A is a palindrome. Both of them are palindrome, and this is having the greater size. But there is one more palindrome which is possible, which is AAXS and AA. Suppose we are having this YY also, ZZ also, and KK also. What will be the maximum palindrome we can have if we are having this? It will be still either triple A or triple AAXX, or it can be AAYY, ZZ and KK. We can see that like we can see that we just don't need the same pairs with one size because they will be neglected. So we just need to keep the even ones out, as if we will be having x as two times, so we can form a palindrome from this, because we can have AAXX, XX, uh, AA, then XX. So this is what we can have. So what we'll be doing, we will be more interested in the number of occurrences which are even, because we know that like if we are having odd occurrences, then we won't be needing that. So let's try run the same approach with one of the example which are given here. Now let's try run the same approach we are having for the example 2 and see if that is working or not. We'll be taking two hash map, same and different, and we'll be putting our elements here. So AB will be 1, so for this example we don't have any different array, so we'll just form array with this only. So we'll just process our hash map from the beginning. We'll check for AB. We'll check whether we are having the opposite version of this or not. So for AB we are having BA. No, we are not having BA, so we'll just neglect this. Then we'll move forward to TY. So for TY, are we having this opposite? Yeah, we are having. So we'll just increment our answer and we'll delete both of them. And similarly, we'll check for LC, and CL is here. So we'll just put our answer. So now we can see our answer is 2. For one pair, we are having 4 elements, and for one pair, we are having 4 elements. So we will be multiplying 4 with our answer, and 8 will be the answer. So for the same one, we'll have CC, LL, XX. So for the same, we'll be having CC, LL, and XX, and we can choose any one of them, because everyone will be the maximum. But what if we are having CC as 2? So now whenever like we are having a even element, then we'll take it as a whole, because we know we'll have the opposite every time. So then we have to check for the odd pair, because like this is same, so we can either take LL or XX, and our answer will be 6 in this case. So let's see how we can code this problem. So what I've done, I have taken the different and same hash map. So right now, this is for processing, this is for adding element in the hash maps. So from here we are adding the elements in the hash map. Then this is for traversing the different map. So what we were doing, we were just traversing through the map. Then so we will be checking, for example, if we are having AB and BA, we will be checking which one is the minimum. So we have stored N1 and N2, and we'll be checking the minimum of that, and we are multiplying this by 4. And after that I'm putting S1 to 0, and I have put S1 to 0 here to make this as null, so that like whenever we will have this again, we'll have 0 and an answer. So this was for uh, traversing the different map. But if we are doing for the same map, so this is a little bit confusing. So this is for traversing the same map. So in this, like what we will be doing, we will be checking whether our answer is even or odd. So if our answer will be even, then directly we'll just add uh, 2 multiplied by n1 in on that one, the number of elements. So this was for the even case, but what if we'll have odd values? So if we are having odd values as 3, 5, 7, then we'll just know that if we'll subtract one element, it will become even, and we can use them in our hash map. So this will be the this will add in our result. But one more thing, we need one odd element because we can put one element in the middle. So we will be checking our answer, like if we will get the odd one, we'll just add it in our result. And if we have that, like we'll just skip every time we are having the odd element. After that we'll return the result. And if you don't understand, I think you can try run this for the test cases. And I've submitted this, and it's a bit slow, but it's really easy to understand. So see you in the next video.